Let's break down why you might be encountering a no internet connection error when trying to download Apple Intelligence after updating to iOS 26. It's frustrating, but often solvable. First, it might not actually be your internet. The issue could stem from several factors on Apple's or your device's end. A common cause is a software bug within the iOS 26 update itself. Sometimes, the update process can glitch, leaving necessary files incomplete or corrupted, which makes it look like you have no internet when really the download just stalled. Another reason could be regional or device restrictions. Apple Intelligence isn't available on all devices or in all regions yet. It generally requires an iPhone 15 Pro or later. Also, mismatched language and region settings can interfere with the download because Apple Intelligence relies on localized AI training data. Finally, the problem could genuinely be on Apple's side. Their servers might be overloaded, especially right after a major iOS release or experiencing temporary outages. Check Apple's system status page to confirm if there are any outages. Start with the basics. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection by toggling airplane mode or restarting your Wi-Fi. Restart your iPhone. This often clears temporary software glitches that cause the error. Double-check your language and region settings in Settings General, Language and Region, and make sure these are set to a supported region. Try resetting your network settings, Settings General, Reset, Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords, so be ready to re-enter them. Confirm your device compatibility. Make sure your iPhone is capable of running Apple Intelligence, which generally means iPhone 15 Pro or later. Go to Settings, General, About to see your iPhone model. Be patient. If the issue stems from Apple's servers being overloaded, the best course of action might be to simply wait and try again later. Monitor Apple's official announcements for any known issues and fixes.